Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Phil Weaver Automotive. We are based in Merebrow, Preston, between Preston and sunny Southport. This afternoon I'm delighted to offer this Peugeot 208. It's the GT line, 5-door hatch, 1.2 petrol auto. Quite a rare car. If you're a lover of the automatic, then this little car may be the one to keep on your shopping list. Tell you a little bit more about this vehicle. The car was registered in June 2016, registered to the Peugeot dealer, so as a demonstrator, and we have bought it from the private individual that purchased the car from Peugeot. So a two-owner car. The car was registered in June 2016, and if you're checking out your insurance with Compare the Market or Compare the Meerkat, please use Hotel Tango 16 Kilo Romeo November. That's your reference for your insurance. Just some key features to point out on this car. Just in case I've missed anything, please refer to our website, philweaverautomotive.co.uk, with www in the beginning, philweaverautomotive.co.uk. You'll see up to 100 photographs, a lovely write-up on the car with all the details, and obviously this video. Touchscreen infotainment system, remote central locking, auto lights and wipers, cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free facility, it's the sports seats, DAB digital radio, electric front windows, climate control, satellite navigation, and the 17-inch Caesium alloy wheels, which we have just had professionally refurbished. So the company that we use take the car from us, remove the wheels from the car, the tyres from the wheels, and strip them wheels back, and then obviously build with the paint and the lacquer and so on. I'll show you the wheels shortly, but a fantastic job they do too. All our cars, when they come into stock, they go down to Holmeswood Garage, our local independent garage that look after us for all our servicing, repairs, MOTs, and the all-important pre-delivery inspection. All our cars go through the pre-delivery inspection, and we provide you with a written report when you come down to have a look at the car. We have over 35 years of experience and knowledge within the industry. We are very proud of the motor industry, very passionate about our business, and passionate about the service that we provide our customers. To show you these wheels, which have been, as I say, completely refurbished and absolutely outstanding, with that little red design in the wheel as well, just to set the wheels off. You've got the GT line is the derivative, nicely placed on the wing as well as in the grille. We've got the LED daytime running lights as well. Nicely finished off. Nice paintwork finish on the car as well. Nothing really to report. A couple little touch-ins here which have been done. So as I say, it's certainly been looked after by its previous keeper. Nice touch with the black mirror caps and the sun protection glass or privacy in from the B pillar backwards. Again, just showing you the wheels. There are 4 photos on the website with the close-ups of the wheels as well. You've got that GT line badge and the chrome exhaust, and you've got your rear parking sensors built into the rear bumper. The over mat which protects the carpet mat underneath it, lovely and clean. And under the boot floor there we have a full-size spare. It's a steel wheel. We have the towing guide, the jack and the wheel brace, and the all-important locking wheel nut key. Yes folks, you've seen it. A number of times we get asked where the locking wheel nut key is. But there she is, within the tools in the spare wheel well. So if you're looking for a sporty hatch, then this little Peugeot 208 certainly will fulfill your needs and requirements. If you're looking at the sort of the Fiesta or the Corsa, or the Renault, or Citroen, please bear in mind this Peugeot 208 GT line. It's got a fabulous interior, half leather, sort of a leather finish actually on the seating with the cloth, nice with the red trim and the sort of silver fleck in the seat, along with the red stitching. Also with the red in the centre of the seatbelt there and around the headrests. You've got the lighter interior for the roofline, seat mat pockets built into the back of the seating as well. Got the tailored mats, electric rear windows. Again, just showing you all the alloys. All nicely finished off. Something that we are extremely proud of is our dealer reviews. We have over 285 star reviews on Autotrader, Facebook and Google. Very proud to have received them from our customers. Our customers will tell you exactly what we are like as a business and people to deal with. So nothing better than getting a review from our customers. So please feel free to check out our reviews also on Autotrader and our website as well. So 2 keys. We've got the book pack. I'll just jump in the car. Got the book pack, 2 keys, and as I've shown you, the locking wheel nut key. We've got the auto gearbox, so a nice finish with the chrome surround. You've also got sort of the sports button there, which if I just straighten the steering wheel, you'll actually see on the dash just here is a little sports button, and that knocks it off. And then the little sort of icicle, which is for the poor weather, just sort of helps with the driving conditions. Nice touch screen from the radio, so FM, DAB digital radio, AM, Bluetooth, jukebox as well. Now I'm not sure whether this is information that's already stored in here that the previous customer has downloaded. Just need to sort of look up and look at a bit of further information on that. Let's go back to menu. So navigation, there we are in the northwest. Bring this a little bit closer to home. Go the other way. There we go, Southport. There we are, Merebrow Village. Nice little village, as it's a nice little deli. So if you're travelling up and feeling a little bit hungry, if you're in the morning, cracking bacon sandwiches and lovely sandwiches and pies for lunchtime. Good size glove box with the on and off for the forward facing child seats for the airbag. As you can see there, just built into the dash is where the airbag lies. We've got dual climate for passenger and driver. Just turn this music down a little bit. There we go. So multifunction steering wheel. We've got the lights on this side here with the auto lights. So as you can see there, automatic headlamp and the wipers as well. In the door card here we have the windows all round and the power door mirrors, and we have the little isolation button to prevent the little ones from sending the window down when you're driving at speed. It's really nicely finished off with this sort of carbon look on the dash as well, and then the high gloss black surround which feeds into the door cards. Again, front passenger seat, lovely condition. If you're thinking of finance and extended warranties, then we offer both these facilities. We use Motornovo for our finance, and we have the hire purchase and PCP products. And for our extended warranties, we use Warranty-Wise. We've been with both companies now for about 11 years. Exceptional dealer service, exceptional customer service also. If you want to take us up on our free delivery to home or work, then please ask us for further details. Just to finish off, with this COVID-19, we are a COVID-19 secure business. We do operate on an appointment only, so you have the freedom of the showroom. In our office we have all the PPE, we have the cough screen, we have the gloves, the masks and the hand sanitizers, so you'll feel safe upon arrival. We ask you to go into the sanitizing station just to wash your hands prior to looking at the cars. When the cars were valeted, all the vehicles go through a deodorizing and sanitizing process, and we also carry that out prior to delivery or collection. Please, as I say, refer to our website for any further details, philweaverautomotive.co.uk, or give us a call on the landline or mobile. Contact us through the social media platforms. We do a lot of work on the social media platforms, so a lot of coverage there. And in the meantime, thank you very much for watching.